Welcome back, everyone. Let's talk about the limitations of app development before we move forward. So, whenever you develop anything for the real world, whether it's software or just anything, there are always limitations. And I talk about this in my Xcode course, that when you imagine something, there are no limits. But as soon as you try and put that imagination into the real world, you're all of a sudden hit with the laws of physics and frankly, reality. So there will always be limitations, and there will always be a grand vision that you have in your head that that will have a hard time getting out in the real world. Now, this course is again the easiest possible way to get from idea to completion on the App Store. And again, I want to make sure that everyone knows that at the end of this course you will have an app on the App Store. Now, you may not be able to use your idea because of technical limitations, and the reason for this is that even though the iPad and the iPhone and what we call iOS devices are really awesome and they're new and they're fun, there's a whole bunch of technical limitations. The software and the chipset aren't as good as, let's say, what you would have on your laptop. So as a result, the software does have a lot more limitations than you do on your computer. And even on your computer, there's limitations as well. Now, I again talk about this a lot in my Xcode course. The app world is generally really simple and minimalist, and the technology is very limiting. So if you take a look at the best apps, they're actually really simple. And we'll be talking a little bit more about this in this tutorial series. I'll see you guys next time.